Well, you guys, I decided to buy a pair, and I'm sure you guys know what I'm talking about. So I'm a huge fan of Ray-Bans, the Justins, and I needed a new pair, but I just didn't want to go ahead and buy a regular pair, so I bought these. These are refurbished from Amazon. They were actually on sale for $179, so I couldn't say no to it. These are G15 shiny black. So let's just go ahead and open it. Made by Wayfair. Well, there we go. All right, guys, so this is my first ever pair of Ray-Ban Meta glasses. So there's the QR code for the app. This is the case. It actually has a Type-C charger at the bottom. Circle at the back. Ooh, it lights up. I wonder what these look like. Like, I know what they look like, but I'm just curious. I guess I gotta pull this, maybe? It's like the first thing. Anyways. They're pretty light. I gotta say, they're pretty light. Compared to these are heavy. So for having tech in them, that's not bad. I wonder what the weight difference is. So these are them, you guys. So let's just put a side-by-side comparison. Not that different. Even though those are the Justins and these are the Metas. That's dope. So I just pulled this out the right side, and it seems to have something else over here. Get started, probably the manual. So get started. I'm gonna go ahead and download the Meta app. Pull the tab, I already did that. Charging, and then battery level. If it's green, then it's charged. If it's orange, which it did light up orange, so I'm gonna actually go ahead and charge the glasses before I even do anything. But while I'm charging, I'm gonna download this MetaView app. There's something else. Refurbished. So like I said, these are refurbished Amazon Ray-Bans. There might be a couple left, but $179. Oh, pamphlet. Alright, the light turned off. You already know, you guys, it's green. Stay tuned.